Make bulk orders for events or parties on Wolt. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to make bulk orders for events or parties on Wolt. So if you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. So what you need to do first is to open your Wolt app on your mobile phone, just like I've done here. And once it's opened, the first image you are going to see is discover Wolt. So you can discover Wolt using the map picture that is on your screen. You see here that there are a lot of countries on the map. So if you want to discover Wolt in any of these countries, you simply take a close look at wherever they are located. You see, you can just expand it, take a thorough look at wherever they are located. Then you choose the one that is closest to you to place your order. Now at the lower part of your screen, you would see three icons here. You see five icons rather. Here you see five icons at the lower part of your screen. You see the discovery icon, the restaurant icon, the stores icon, the search icon, and the profile icon. Now to learn how to place bulk orders for events or parties on Wolt, all you need to do is to click on profile. Profile is the last icon and the fifth icon on the row. You click on it, then you wait for the profile page to load, and once it has loaded, the first thing you're going to see is your name. You see at the top left corner of your screen, you see a round circle showing your name and your last name. Then under it, you're going to see the numbers of orders that you have. Here, I do not have any order, so it says no order. So going down, you see tokens and credits. So you can use if you have tokens and credits on Wolt app, you can also use it to place an order on Wolt app. So other quick links we have, you can invite your friends, you can enter promo code, you can contact customer care, and you can also check your order history. There are other things you can do under this profile icon. You can just go down the list to see the option that suits you. So now to place bulk order for parties or events on Wolt, all you need to do is to click on customer support. Customer support is just after enter promo code. You click on it, then you'll be directed to Wolt virtual agent who is going to commute with you. See that I've started communicating with the I was communicating with the virtual agent before. Now this is the page you're going to see on your screen. You see your name, then you see several virtual agents that you can converse with. These virtual agents will not be around you physically, but you can ask them questions or lay your complaints or tell them whatever issue or problem you're facing using the app, and necessary information, necessary answers or solution will be given to you. So now you can click on, just at the middle of your screen, you see send us a message. You click on that icon, send us a message. Then you see several people that at the upper part of your screen, you see this virtual agent that you can talk to. If you want to talk to the first one, you click on it. If you want to talk to the second one, click on it, and you can get replies from any of them. So at the lower part of your screen, you see start a conversation. So you have to start a conversation by asking your question or the problem you're facing using the app or whatever complaint that you have. So now we are going to ask the virtual agent how to place a bulk order for events. How to place order and parties. So once you're done, you click on the send icon and your message or your question will be sent to the virtual agent. Then you wait patiently for responses from them or answers to the question that you've asked. So you have to wait. Here you have to be patient here because the reply may not get to you on time, but just make sure you wait patiently. The virtual agent is already replying, just like you can see on your screen. It's already replying. So details will be given to you about how you can go about ordering a bulk order, placing a bulk order for events and parties using Wolt app. So it's that simple, and you can try it out too. So this is simply how to make bulk orders for events or parties on Wolt. Thank you.